And I am live. Ani na pud ako mga higala. Grace here, coming to you from Ontario, Canada. And yeah, welcome to my page, Mary Grace Nick Daw. Karon excited kayo ko kay another Bisaya business talk na po sa akong mga higala diha nga mga Bisaya, mga followers o mga friends sa Facebook nga mga Bisaya. So, karon excited kayo ko makigistorya sa akong kapwa Bisaya taga Leyte demi karon pa mi nakahibaw nga pareho may taga Leyte. Kanindo jud aning kuan digital business kay makamitag atong mga antagani kanang wala ra gi-expect ba na silingan na dito sa Pilipinas. Og without further ado, ani si Madam Luisa, nga ako higalang gwapa from Australia. So, sis, palihog kong introduce sa imong kagalingon sa atong mga viewers.
Hello diha, maayong udto. Ay, udto sa Pilipinas, maayong gabi sa kananay. I always thought you are from UK pero taga Canada man di ay ka. Yeah, it's very surprising no na we are from grabe yung mga ahamo. Oh my God! Taga Batura di ka, ako taga Matalom.
Silingan na kaayo?
Yes. So for those of you who don't know me, my name is Luisa Indiano, and I'm originally from Leyte, Philippines, so Bisaya sad. Now I'm currently living here in Sydney, Australia for more than 9 years, I would say. So I work as an EIN or assistant in nursing in a public hospital. But I just want to tell you a little bit of myself. So before, when I first came here in Australia, maybe back 2012, so I am what do you call this? I used to work 2 to 3 jobs before, but coming here in Australia, you need to work. You need to have a diploma and a degree. But back then, I have a diploma and degree, but it doesn't really include kasi kuan ba kanang nay unsayngan dito ra magud ka sa Philippines. Diri sa Australia
credit
different. So I think mostly in Eastern and Eastern Europe and Western countries, you need to have a diploma and degree here. So it was really difficult, although I enjoyed roaming Australia in the beginning, but of course you need to look for a job, right? So mato nga naglisod gyud ko kuha. So good thing nga ang akong sister is my first job was housekeeper ba. So moto nagkuan po kog mga cleaning jobs kay nag-estudyante man po ko that time. So it was difficult to manage kasi work and study and all that. So I worked to do hantod nga nag 3 jobs gud ko. Kuan lang ba salit-salitan ra. Pero okay ra sad.
Survive gihapon.
Yeah, so moving forward, nag-stick ko sa sa Australia for a while. And then I met my husband and na problema mong visa, so I had to go home again. So back then nag-pandemic, so 2 years na stuck down sa kanang Philippines, so sa Manila. So oh my God, so I had to go back. So I went back to Australia for almost, I went back after like 2 years back and I stuck dito for almost 2 years. So I came back 2020. So again, I lost my job. So I actually begged them, but they didn't let me come back. But then I realized, why don't I apply another job? But actually, because of my experience, so I actually I got a lot of inquiries because back then it was a pandemic, still pandemic. So they need my experience. So yeah, and then now, how did I start in this business? Ako nag-start ko aning business because I saw a lot of ads from you guys in Canada. Everyone, but I don't know. I was they're telling the stories I wasn't wala gyud na ako nagkuan pero katong pag nung diha na nakita na ako when I saw my coach, said, "Oh, okay, she's from Australia, so I wanna try this," but it wasn't explained how do you how do you start. But I think that coach jud na ako na she look after this. She has a good story. So mato nga nag-try ko. I was skeptical back then. Then wala na ko na akong husband nga.
So sis, mangutana ko nimo nakita nimo ang business na naka sa Australia ni balik na ka.
Yeah, but I think maybe 1 year later, kasi 2021 ko nag-start in the middle of 2021. Kasi I've been looking for another job, but I don't wanna be in the workforce kasi lisod ba ya ka kay ina nursing, grabe, like it's very physically exhausting lalo na pag mga aged care and so I don't want, like, to be honest, like I'm looking for something that I can do it, maybe if I can do work from home, but you can't do work from home, right? I was looking for something because sometimes I work back then like 4 or 5 days, so like, oh, I just wanna, like, like I want to be easy, I like flexibility. So that's when I saw it, and then I realized that knowing the business, like I can actually work from home and I can do it in my own time. So yeah, that's when I started. And right now, like early this year, I started coming out of my comfort zone, and I really love it. So why not? Yeah, because I love flexibility. So I think that's about me. So I don't want to
I'm so proud of you mga Bisaya no nga.
Yes.
Nood yun na nga maningkamot kita para sa tong pamilya. So ang imong unsay aha moment nimo adto sis nga nganong ning sugod man jud ka ani nga business, like kanang unsay tawag ani unsa may nakapamotivate gyud nimo, number one, since wala man kay experience, di ba, unya wala dili sa nimo kaila ang imong mentor o coach, kita ra nimo sa social media, ngano ni salig man ka sa imong coach?
Well, aside from flexibility, and I'm looking for that, sa daghan magugong reasons kasi imagine, like, I only have one job. I have to support my family back home, and I'm still supporting my parents, especially my parents because they're getting older. So I need an extra income yun. So kasi usahay ba ang atong income there, it's not enough talaga because it's just enough. Yeah, you feel comfortable, you're not hungry, but you pay the bills and
there's no extra.
There's extra. Sometimes
like pambayad.
Yes, and sometimes like you couldn't even save, like before I wanna go out, but I can't save much. Like said, oh my god. So I just need so again, my family. So and then of course I have to help my husband with some bills. So at least kikita man ka nagyoy mga extra kuan ba kana na extra income, bisag gamay lang pero okay lang kasi permanente man sa
kanunay, di ba?
Yeah, karon this year naasad mi goal na to own an apartment, like to own a home, kasi lisod na jud diri sa Australia after pandemic. Everything is so expensive, from groceries.
Dili ra man gud diha, uy, tibo kalibutan
lagi all over the world. Diba? So grabe ang grocery karon, my god, mingon na gud mi.
Inflation naigo gyud tas inflation.
Yeah, $200 is not enough sa grocery. My God, yung sa husband, sige, nagreklamo sila, magbut-but ba? Grabe sining mga kwan diri. May nga sige husband, ato dyan kanang i-push dyan nato yung business para ano. Pero kita na sad mi, malo to, pandagdag grocery, usahay.
So, ano na yung mga changes ni mo, sis? Unsay ang akong follow-up question nimo, unsay imong mga changes na nga nahitabo sa imong kinabuhi since nag-start ka sa business?
Mao to kanang usasad na ko i-mention na slowly earn na sad, pero dili man good ka kuan kanang dili pa permanente, pero maayo na gyud na kuan ba kana na naka-earn
better than nothing, right?
Yeah, rather than nothing. So imagine na naakara sa imong balay ja or nakago sa work, oh my god, ay, alhala ka earn na pala di ko. Yeah, na-excite ko katong una jud na kong kuan katong pag-beginning kanang ko hala naday kanang mabalik nimo mura sa nag-rebate ay anya pag mga slowly nga siguro nakaupat na siguro kog mga earn ba hala kanindot ba sa mo green ba nga imong bank account.
Uy, guys, is no kay diha sa inyo sa Australia automatic man di ay ang atong earning no di ano lahi diri sa mo ang by check. Diris Canada.
Yeah, we don't have checks. Like,
nindot ang inyo sis kay makurat jud ko ba inig-open mo sa imong account. Nice ka ayo kay.
Oh my god. Mga siguro kanang wala na ko na po siguro mga 2-3 weeks ago. Hala. Naguna ako, ngano gibayaran man ko sa company? Ko nga I wonder ba ko nga nganong naamang ko kanang ewan ko kung late ba. Ko hala, pang grocery or ako yung kanang every time nga na-pay, so akong siyang i-save like slowly ba para sa house na mo kay nag-ipon naman may for the house ko. My goal, our goal right now is to own a home kasi lalo na kanang nakamotivate lalo kay katang nakoy gi-post pa nga usa ato sa ka business partners, my god. She paid her first mortgage and then the second one she bought in full.
Yeah.
Oh my God, grabe yung akong
Excited
motivation. No, grabe naka-excite da. Another that nga kanang usasad nga naka-change na ako nga start of business no. Maulog ito nga. Sa una gyud ko di kanang I'm very shy in front of camera. I like to do good live but during parties only. But the guy
Hey, bang ko ana imong pasabot sis nga. You like doing go live but kana bitong ang imong go live why value? No?
Yeah.
Pero go live ra nga.
Yeah, go live lang.
Pero karon mura lang kang malain, mura kang maulaw kay ang imong magong aim is to give value to others, to your viewers, right? So mo na kanindot. Yeah.
May nini kanindot sa business kay kanang one by I get up from the comfort zone. I gain a lot of confidence to be honest. So I started doing go live last March. So it's not far actually. So mo na kanang nadili na ko mao baga nagay kog now, then it helps as well na to reach out people who are actually looking for this kind of income, no? And aside from that, I gain a lot of friends around the world. So like you, like you.
Close na karon si sa kanay mo
I know. Oh God, like I've met a lot of friends like Filipinos, mga Bisaya around the world. And then also I gain knowledge and skills. Like for me, I don't have any business background, so which actually okay, this is cool, right? Like doing business at home, why not? And then I gain knowledge from from our coaches, from our friends, like you guys, and also I am more positive in life. One thing that really changed me like in the beginning is I become more positive. Sa una, ganun ko yung mga drama-drama, no? Mga post ng mga negative stuff. No, since I started the business because they encouraged me not to post a lot of negatives kasi it's not good as well. When you run a business, you don't want to be like really negative. So you need to be positive. So you can inspire other people to be positive. That's the good thing about business, no? So, yeah, and then also the flexibility of work. So, because I am casual, ganahan ko kay flexibility. I really like flexibility. That's why I've never been full-time for a long time or even part-time because I like flexibility. And then I like this. Like this, we're doing at home and nakatabang yun ako. I said, why not? My God. Hopefully, this will be my Plan A. So I still love nursing. I still love to do it. We're not encouraging you guys to quit their jobs, but a lot of our business partners are actually made one. Yeah, they quit their jobs, they travel. My God, they pay their mortgage and everything. My God, this guys, if you're still sitting here and watching us, my God, take an action, good. Yes,
thank you, kayo, sis.
This is a blessing for everyone. So, dili yun mo magmahay in this business. You just have to be consistent, continue lang, persevere. Use your whys, use your reasons. Ngano yun nga nag-start ka ni aning business.
Yes.
So, maura sa to ako, sis. So,
yes, of course. Thank you kaayo, sis. Pareho ni sis Luisa ang gi-use iyang why. Ang iyang why is gusto siya mo kita og extra. So, kinsa ba gud tayo dili gusto mo kita og extra? Oy, di ba? Anya mabuhat ra nimo at the comfort of your own home and at your spare time, right? So by the way, ako lang iklaro sa tanan for those of you na who wanted to check this out, kaning among pag-go live, ako lang iklaro na dili ni siya compulsory. Amo lang ni lang willingness lang ni namo nga gibuhat because we want to show people that we are real people and we also want to encourage other people and to inspire other people with our stories. That's why I bring different business partners from all over the world in my page para you can resonate with other people that nga dili lang ninyo madungog kung ang benefits sa business in my side, also on the other business partners. So mao lang to ang kami manggod once you start the business, ma-encourage jud ka to come out from your comfort zone kay always remember na ang comfort zone mao na siya'y killer sa atong dreams. When we're comfortable na, di ba? If we stay in our comfort zone, we will never grow, right?
Yes.
We stay there, we're like stagnant ta. So maunang kami, ganahan namin nani because we want to explore what we can offer to you guys, and we believe that the business is a blessing for us. That's why we also want to share because this is a blessing. Share your blessing ingon si Papa God, di ba?
Yes.
So thank you kaayo sis. So for those of you who are open to check this out, just feel free to register your name and email on our website. It's up to you guys. you can go to my website or you can go to Sis Luisa's website. And yeah, thank you kaayo mga Bisaya. Kay ba ko mga Bisaya rin makasabutani. So yeah, I also have some other go lives with other business partners ng mga Tagalog or also mga English. So yeah, I just want to cater everybody, right? So yeah, thank you everybody. Thank you for watching on a replay, and feel free to comment down below if where you're coming from and watching the replay or the live. Okay? Thank you, sis, for your time, and appreciate you so much. Mag-message siya tapos may kasilingan naman di tas Pilipinas da.
Sige.
Bye everybody. Thank you.
Bye. Take care.